The death of modern car interiors. Have you ever realized that buying a brand new car today feels like buying a rolling pad? Step inside any modern cabin, and every brand looks identical. A massive, characterless digital screen surrounded by cheap plastic. Modern car interiors are losing their soul. But take a breath and look at this masterpiece. This is the $1 million analog dashboard of a 1950s Alfa Romeo Giulietta Spider. This was an era when car interiors weren't designed by computer programmers, but sculpted by the hands of pure artists. Today, we are uncovering the automotive industry's dark secret. Why true luxury like this was intentionally wiped out. Let's step back to mid-20th century Italy. Back then, Alfa Romeo trusted legendary design houses like Bertone and Pininfarina to sculpt their vehicles. The result wasn't just transportation, it was moving art. Notice how the metal dashboard panel is painted to perfectly match the exterior body, creating seamless visual harmony. Nestled inside are three iconic Beglia mechanical gauges encased in gleaming chrome rims. You won't find sterile English labels here. Everything is written in poetic Italian, benzina for fuel and olio for oil pressure. Every time those analog needles sweep up with the roar of the engine, it creates an intimate conversation between man and machine. These micro-components were built with the precise craftsmanship of a luxury Swiss watch. So why did this mechanical beauty vanish, only to be replaced by flat touch screens in modern cars? It all comes down to corporate cost-cutting. Manufacturing dozens of individual mechanical gears, premium needles, physical cables, and tactile knobs is incredibly expensive and labor-intensive. Slapping in a single, mass-produced, digital screen powered by cheap software is a goldmine for profit margins. Unfortunately, in the pursuit of screen size and useless tech features, we sacrifice driving focus. The extinction of physical buttons forces your eyes off the road just to adjust the air conditioning, a dangerous distraction that never existed in the golden age of analog. Ultimately, digital technology offers undeniable utility and endless features. However, analog design offers something technology can never replicate: timeless soul. It delivers a pure driving emotion that makes you want to sit and stare at the dashboard even after the engine is turned off. Now, the ultimate question goes to you. If money was no object, would you choose a cutting-edge, ultra-digital modern supercar? Or would you take home a purer, soulful analog masterpiece like this Alfa Romeo? Drop your ultimate choice in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive automotive content.